This is a Fox 5 special report.
We're following breaking news where a jury has just found former President Donald Trump liable in the E. Jean Carroll civil battery and defamation lawsuit.
All right, let's get right out to Jessica Formoso, who is live outside federal court in Lower Manhattan with more on the verdict. Jessica.
Stephen, Natasha, that's right. We just got the verdict, and they found President Trump liable for battery in the sexual abuse case against E.J. Carroll. Now, this is day 9 of the trial. The deliberations began this morning just before noon, and it took over just 2.5 hours for deliberations. This was a civil battery and defamation lawsuit against former President Trump. The jury had to consider if Carroll's allegations that Trump raped her at a department dressing room in 1996 and defamed her. Trump denied all allegations. Now, again, this was a jury of 6 men and 3 women, an anonymous jury. No one knows their names, who they are. Trump never showed up to this court to testify. The attorney for Carroll said that this lawsuit was not about money, but about getting her good name back. And Trump did not attend the trial, and that's because his legal team did not call any witnesses. Trump's lawyer, Joe Tacopina, said there are no witnesses to call because Trump was never there, and said that this never happened. But again, we have just learned now that they have found former President Donald Trump liable for battery in the sexual abuse case against Carroll. There is a lot of media out here. If you can take a look, come back live here, you're going to see a lot of cameras here, even bystanders and New Yorkers standing outside the courtroom waiting for Carroll to walk out. Again, President Trump is not present. He never came to this trial. Only his legal team is here, and we hope to hear from both sides, from both legal teams. Joe Tacopina, which is former President Trump's lawyer, as well as Carroll's attorneys, will make some sort of statement at some point. We also know that this trial also has to do with monetary, to try to do, give some repairs, monetary repairs to Carroll, and we're still waiting to see how much money that is that the jury says needs to be awarded to Carroll, but that still is unknown at this point. Of course, we have a reporter inside the court, Morgan Mackay, who has been here for all 9 days, and she should have more later on today. I send it back to both of you guys inside.
Very well. All right. Thanks, Jess. Yeah, that is the big question. So what now? And as she just mentioned, right, if you are just turning in, the jury has found Trump liable that he did sexually abuse E. Jean Carroll, but they also found that he did not rape her. And the question is, what happens now as a result of that verdict that just came down?
It was a unanimous decision by a jury after deliberating for 3 hours, and we heard closing arguments yesterday as well. Well, we have a lot more to talk about in this case. Again, former President Trump found liable in this civil case against E. Jean Carroll, against former Trump. We will have a lot more coming up in the 5 o'clock news.